Hi, we are just standing in the middle of this society where on the left hand side you can see one tower is there. It is of 7 story. We have approximately 119 flats over there. So this is the middle and this is 100 meters away. That's the back gate. That is the back gate. This is the second tower which is of the 12 story and we have 141 flats over here. And we have the front gate which is approximately 100 meters away from it. As you can see the topography, it's an entirely slope over there from the gate number 2, and you can see those channels. We have those channels, okay. We have those channels across the entire building. This is one channel which is going. There is second channel which is coming from this side, on the right hand side. So which actually collects all the rainwater, all the drainage water, it comes from over here. Okay, this is the back side. Now over here you can see that this channel actually is actually moving around the entire society, okay, which collects all the rainwater. Okay. The same channel gets surrounded to the entire society. So this channel is moving around. And goes entirely till the end of this building. To give you a brief about this channel, it is approximately 2 feet, 1.5 feet deep. Okay, one more thing which I am missing over there is this is the clubhouse, okay, podium. You can see those channels, water channels, okay. These are coming from the podium, okay. We have a still parking, but all those waters get collected. You can see the same here, but it gets directed into this one, into this channel only. So ultimately, all the water gets collected into this channel, and it is driven through this channel only. It goes out of the building. This entire thing goes out, and that's the end of the building. Water goes out. Now, funny part, this is the borewell, which is around 300 feet. The borewell, this is 300 feet deep. So you can see the channel approximately connected to this one, and you can see the borewell over here. So if you look over from the entire perspective, you can see all this. We don't need any kind of piping or anything. Everything is done, but the water gets collected into this channel, and the only problem is like a lot of dust. So desilting will be a major problem. That is a major problem we are looking over. This is inside the parking. Just wanted to show like how the water gets. So even in the parking, there are like. So this is the channel, internal channel where it collects the water from the podium. Okay. Where we have the swimming pool and the other clubhouse kind of thing we do have over there. So this channel again carries the water and gets connected to the outer channel. Internally gets connected.